Hello everyone, welcome back to my workshop. I'm having a problem for last 2-3 weeks. I have all these posts coming through, but I haven't opened them yet because I haven't been really haven't been well. So today I have opportunity to open these up and see what sort of projects I have to do in the future. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Oh, this is electronics project. Okay, so this is a rotating wheel for LEDs project components. So this could be the next project I will be performing on my other videos. Okay, so that's done. So these are round LEDs supposed to go in there, and then different resistors and capacitors, and these are surface mounting LEDs and components. So I haven't done them yet before, so when you see it next time the project is lighting up, please do watch it, my video then. Thank you. Okay, this is done. Okay, let's have a look what's in this one. Oh, this is another project building a metal detector, and okay, little instructions are there. I know this is all in Chinese, so it should be okay. Just follow the diagram. The whole language comes in it. So this is the diodes, resistors, little choke, variable resistor, transistors, and the coil. So this round thing is its own coil. Let's have a look inside. There it is. As you can see, this is the coil itself, both sides. So I'll put the components in and then check any metal hidden anywhere, any treasure. Okay, that would be interesting. Okay, let's put that back in safely. And this, right? What's that? This is just a mobile phone. Let's have a look. This one. Oh, open. Oh, test leads. Oh, so these are very special test leads. Okay, now this one should have that as well. There it is. Was it? Okay, a very highly insulated. Okay, let's have a look. This one could go back in, or could be in this one. I have to do that later and see. Okay, like this, and then we'll put it like that. Yes. So this is it. This goes in. There you go. So these are very flexible, very robust type. Pretty expensive. I think they're about £6-7 or £8. I have to have a look. So these are the test leads for the meters. Okay, let's have a look at this one. This is timer This is a timer. This is a board, and these are the chips. I think 555 chips, capacitors, variable resistor, LEDs, diodes. There are the two chips, one and two chips in there. Okay, we'll have to look into that. What's this? This one. Oh, this is a magnifying glass. Oh, it turned into magnifying glass. That's a free. Come with it. Oh, that's very nice of them. Thank you. So today, just opening the boxes or envelopes. Let's have a look at this one. Oh my goodness. So these are the micro switches, and these are LEDs, different type of LEDs. Let's have it open. Let's get it opened up. These are the LEDs. That's blue, white LEDs, green LEDs, yellow, green, and red. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 LEDs, and these are the micro switches. Can you see? Micro switches. Okay, so when I do the project, and I will explain about the LEDs, how they work. They are same as like diodes, but they're light ups. They light up as a bulb. So LEDs, lighting LEDs. Okay, different color. Okay, where that goes in? Oh, it goes in there. Put it back in. So back in there. There. Okay, let's have a look with this one. Okay. Anything in there? Oh, these are the rectifier. This is it's like a bridge rectifier, diodes, capacitors, LED. Okay. So there must be 2 or 4 diodes. Yes, 4 diodes is a bridge to make it as a bridge rectifier. Capacitors for the smoothing, PCBs, and terminals. Yeah, that turns AC to DC rectifier, bridge rectifier, little power supply. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Oh, this is a USB charger. Okay, so that is a USB charger. That's an old type one, I think. Fine. Gonna get that used somewhere. So, as you can see. Okay. Fine. So we put that away. So put that back in. So we use it next time. eBay 10. Oh, there are plenty to see. Oh, let's have this one. Ah. Oh, these are the surface mounting LEDs. Okay. So they light up. So they're all in there. Okay. I have to look into this. I'm sure, I don't know. I don't remember if I ordered it, but anyway, it can become useful. Okay, put that in there. So if I just close it, nothing will happen. Okay, fine. Put that back in there. So when I take it to my workshop, I will do all these projects right in front of you. So I wonder what this is. Oh, I must have a look what this does. Oh, USB port, and then there's another USB port. It's a P type. Okay, P type, C type. Okay, I have to look into this. Small little projects, so many projects have to be done. Okay, have a look at this one. Ah, I wonder how you're going to open that one. Okay. 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 This is for telephone, a mobile phone. There you go. This is a magnetic strip. So I'll put that in a car somewhere where I can fit it, somewhere in a heating area where you can actually fit them in. And then this actually goes attached to your mobile. Just peel this off, attach to the mobile, and then stick to it. There you go. Yes, I do that later. Fine. Okay. So this is a magnetic strip for holding the telephone in the car. That would be handy. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay, put it back in. Okay, and this is a phone cover. Oh, that's fine. That's beautiful. Okay, and that's also from China. Okay, so when you close this, still can see there. Okay. There you go. So there's a window there. So when you cover it, the window. I mean, this not belong to this telephone. What's the other one? Okay, that's handy. Thank you very much. Okay, so put it back in. Fine. And let's have a look at this little boy. Okay. notepad. That's very nice. So I open this. There's nothing else in there. Put it back there. Okay. That's a beauty. There you are. Fantastic. Okay. Oh, there you are. It's on. Okay, welcome. So this is it. It's very handy. Ideal for me working in a workshop. Okay, this one comes in. Oh, there's a charger. Okay, so this is the charger one. Fine. Okay, that's about it. Ah, there's another one here. So the best one is this. This is what I got. ThinkPad. Excellent. And this one is a light I ordered. Innovation light. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, it's a spotlight. Sensor floodlight. Okay. That is 20 watts, 1600 milli brightness, 1600 lumen brightness. Slim. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh, look at that. Fine. So I did have that in front of my workshop. So this is a sensor, and this is, you can undo this and rearrange the, okay, yes, okay. So rearrange the directions and the angles of it. Okay. And this comes with it. Instructions don't need at the moment. Fine. Thank you very much for staying with me. That was very interesting because, as I said, I haven't opened it for last few weeks. Haven't been very well at all. So start getting better. So it's a time to open all these projects and back onto my videos and my live streams, hopefully. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. And please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye.